Hello everyone and welcome back to our celebration assembly for this week. Our first week back after half term, and it has been a fantastic one with children working so very hard. So well done to all of you. Now, let's get on with our awards. Are we ready? First, we have the Going for Gold Awards. In Leeds class, we have Teddy for excellent blending and segmenting when robot talking during phonics, and Cody for super maths work on the composition of 4. In York 1, we have Nevaeh for great number work on counting objects to 9 and 10, and Antonia for writing a sentence all by himself. In York 2, we have Leo for counting 10 objects carefully and knowing that 1 less is 9. And Faith for always working hard in every lesson and being super kind and caring. In Hall class, we have Holly for trying hard with her handwriting and Amaya for great work in maths. In Nottingham class, we have Evelyn for great sharing work in maths and Oliver for great effort with joining letters in handwriting. In Liverpool class, we have Archie for saying yes more and having a go. Well done. And Anna for some amazing spelling practice that she has been doing at home. In Cardiff class, we have Susanna K for lovely writing in English and for Grace for the same thing, lovely writing in English. In Edinburgh class, we have Casper for always listening carefully and following instructions sensibly, and Lexi W for working hard to improve her times table knowledge. In Cambridge class, we have Leighton for taking care with his cubism art piece in art, and James for being positive attitude towards his learning. In London class, we have Stuart for trying hard with his writing, and Noah for explaining his reasoning well in maths. In Oxford class, we have Oscar for sharing his ideas with the class during lessons, and Christian for acting on advice given and trying not to rush his work. And in Bakewell class, we have Oakley for trying his best and making excellent choices in class. Well done to all of these children. Let's give them a big hand. Well done. Excellent. Now we have the Year of Knowing Me Awards. So we have in Lee's class, Edward for persevering when finding ways to make 4. And Emily for persevering when finding different ways to make 4 and recording it on a whiteboard. In York 1, we have Ella O for showing enthusiasm for counting and recognizing numbers. And Jensen for great speaking and listening during lesson introductions. In York 2, we have Aaron for learning from mistakes and working hard, and Arlo for persevering with his counting skills and trying hard to count each object carefully one by one. In Hall class, we have TJ for persevering when writing, and Troy for working hard with adults to remember the read, write, ink sounds. In Nottingham class, we have Olivia for always having a go even when things are tricky, and Ophi for having a go at writing a sentence. In Liverpool class, we have Harvey for having a great week and having the confidence to have a go, and Alfie for still having a go when he finds a lesson tricky. In Cardiff class, we have Katie for a positive attitude and enjoying geography and art, and Emily for some lovely artwork. In Edinburgh class, we have Lacey for persevering in all aspects of her learning, and Amelia W for persevering and growing in confidence in swimming. In Cambridge class, we have Kyle for being confident and trying something new, and Amelia for showing determination in PE this week. In London class, we have Dylan for always giving 100%, and Jessica for persevering with challenging work. In Oxford class, we have Madison for carrying on with her demonstration in art club, even though it didn't go to plan at first. And Honey May for settling well into Oxford class. In Bakewell, we have Jasmine for learning new BSL signs. Well done, all of you. Excellent work. Well done. Like I said, a fantastic first week after half term. Got another one next week. Looking forward to it. Next week is special. We have World Book Day on Thursday, and we have some special books for everyone. Have a good weekend. Bye.